Imagine you are out on a ride, enjoying the open road, when suddenly your headlight goes out, your turn signal stops working, or your instrument panel goes completely dark. It is a frustrating and potentially unsafe situation. Your motorcycle fuse box diagram is incredibly important because it is the key to quickly diagnosing and fixing these common electrical problems, helping you get back on the road safely and efficiently. Fuses are safety devices designed to protect your motorcycle's electrical components from damage caused by an electrical overload. When too much current flows through a circuit, the fuse sacrifices itself by melting, breaking the circuit and preventing more serious damage to expensive parts like your electronic control unit or wiring harness. The diagram shows you exactly which fuse protects which system, its amperage rating, and its location, making it easy to identify the culprit. Without this map, finding a blown fuse in a box full of identical-looking fuses would be a frustrating guessing game. To use the diagram effectively, first locate your motorcycle's fuse box, which is often under the seat, near the battery, or behind a side panel. Once you find it, compare the layout of your physical fuse box to the diagram. When an electrical component stops working, find that component on the diagram to see which specific fuse protects it. Then, locate that fuse in your fuse box and visually inspect it for a broken wire inside or test it with a multimeter. Always replace a blown fuse with a new one of the exact same amperage rating, never higher. A useful tip for quickly identifying the right fuse is to look for color coding, as most automotive blade fuses follow a universal color standard where a specific color indicates a particular amperage. For example, a 10-amp fuse is typically red, and a 15-amp fuse is blue. Some motorcycles also include a spare fuse and a small puller tool right within the fuse box cover, making roadside repairs much easier. Knowing these details can save you time and hassle. Understanding and using your motorcycle fuse box diagram empowers you to confidently troubleshoot and resolve many electrical issues on your own. This knowledge saves you money on mechanic fees, reduces downtime for your bike, and ensures you can maintain key safety functions like your lights and horn, keeping you safer on every ride.